Hello friends. As in our previous video, we have discussed about all we have already discussed about all the three operations. Some of the three operations they are creation, insertion, and deletion. In the last operation, we have left with the traversing in a linked list. So traversing or displaying a linked list. So to display the information, we have to traverse or move a linked list by node or from the first node until the end of the list is reached. Traversing a list involves the following steps. The traversing of the list involves the in assignment of the address of the start pointer to the temp pointer, and after that displaying the information from the data field to each data field of each node, and we are going to use a function traverse eh, for traversing and displaying the information stored in the linked list. And we can also traverse the linked list in the two ways, from the left to right or right to left. Means that we can traverse the linked list from starting to the end and end to the starting. So for when we want to start traverse a linked list from the starting to end, we just need to start the temp, start at we just mm, need to implement a temp pointer with the start pointer, and after that we we have to traverse the temp pointer to the end last pointer, and in this process we are going to just print the data of that point, data stored in that point in that node. And in such a way we can traverse from the list from left to right. And in alternative there is another way to traverse and display the information, that is a reverse order, and for which we use a function. Reverse traversing is used for the traversing and displaying the information stored in the list from the left right to left, in which we are using a concept of the recursion, and in which we are just first we are going to we can perform this operation in two ways. By first one is by recursion, and the second one way we can use in the next type of the linked list, which is doubly linked list, as we have discussed about the doubly link discussed when we have classified the different types of linked list, in that the doubly linked list has the two pointers, the previous the pointing toward the previous node and then succeeding node and the preceding node. So that can be helpful for us in traversing from the left to right. But in the singly linked list it will be somewhat we can say complex to traverse the linked list reversely. And for that we have to use the concept of the recursion, and we will do all these operations in the next video, of in which we are going to creating a whole single linked list, in which we contains each and every operation, all operations of creating a node, inserting a node, and deleting a node, and all the operations of insertion at end, insertion at beginning, insertion at intermediate position, and deletion, all operations of the deletion also, the deleting a node at beginning, deleting a node from end, or deleting a node from intermediate position, and the traversing function. So that's it in this video.